Welcome back, Pythoneers. In this video, we will make our first plots in Python using the Matplotlib library. But we'll also discover some nuances, especially when we're using VS Code. So we'll figure out ways to improve our life. So the first thing we do, we need to import the Matplotlib library, but it has many modules, and we will be focusing on the PyPlot module, and we'll import it as PLT, which is the convention. And let's see. Just Pythons. Nothing important for us. And then the function signature looks like this, where we plot and we send in the x values and the y values here. And so since we're not loading this from any data file yet, because I want to show you this later, a problem that we will resolve, let's just create some x values. So let's say x values equal 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our I values can be also numbers, but a bit maybe different. 2, 4, 1, 5. Just so we have some variation. And then if you go down here, we can also give the plot a title, because how else will we understand what it is? Yes, we're going to show you initially a basic line plot. So I say basic line plot. And then once we have configured, we want to show it. So I'll do plt show. And then if I save and I run, let's see what happens. Oh, all right. All right, it's me. Misspelled that. Good. That was the issue. Let's run it again. So we see when we run it and we tell it to show, it opens another window. And sometimes we'll be working with multiple plots, but let's do another one. Let's do a bar chart. This time we can come up with something else. Let's say labels, and we'll go with A, B, C, and then we'll have values. And here we'll do numbers instead. 7, 3. Okay, that's good, I think. And then let's draw it. Let's see. Now we select a bar, not a normal plot. And then we pass in our labels and our values, similar to x, y. Just differentiating so we don't use the same names up here. And then we'll give this a title as well, and we'll call it basic bar chart. So we'll see that. And then we'll do a PLT show as well. And then I'll save and run. So first we'll get our basic line plot, and not until I close this one, we'll see the next one. So we don't really like that. But this is how we initially do. This is how we build our first plots. It's this straightforward. Later we'll see a different syntax. And in the next video, we'll figure out how we can improve our quality of life instead of having to show a window. Instead, we want maybe an integrated window. So until next time.